guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and we're gonna get creepy today. Super spooky. It is Halloween time, and we want to party, like everyone wants to at Halloween. And we are gonna make a delicious Halloween punch. It's gonna be so yummy. You can make it with vodka or rum, and it looks like blood, and you could put it in bowls with eyeballs and other spooky things. It's so fun, so easy. It'll get your party started, and let's get started ourselves with a cup and a half of some Tito's vodka. I'm a vodka girl. Rum's not my thing, but feel free to substitute for rum if that's what your party is more about. And then to it, we are going to add 2 to 3 cups, depending on how strong you want your punch and how much you want your guests dancing to that weird Monster Mash music or whatever you're playing. 2 to 3 cups of a black cherry soda. If you can't find a black cherry soda, any red tinted soda will do. I like black cherry because it has an awesome flavor to it, but I've seen blackberry, ginger ale, and different things like that. So any red kind of tinted soda will work perfectly for this punch. After that, we have about a half a cup of pomegranate juice. Perfect. We're gonna finish it off with the juice of 1 whole lime. So we're just gonna get our second half of our lime in. It's like extra hard to squeeze right now. That must be the trick of this one. I don't know. And then all you have to do is stir and serve it in your favorite dish. I have some super fun skull mugs here, which I think is perfect for this. So I'm gonna get a glass. Once you got it in whatever glass you're serving or the dish for your party, feel free to garnish with all sorts of fun stuff, like this black straw or this creepy eyeball that apparently is supposed to go in your drink and offer no flavor, but just for fun. And then it's Halloweeny. You take a good old sip and get the freaking party started. It's a quick one today. We just want to make a quick punch, a bloody old punch for your Halloween. But make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more videos like this one every Tuesday. We take requests. We're on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking. I would love to hear what you're doing for Halloween, and so make sure to reach out to me there. And other than that, guys, I'm gonna play with this eyeball in my drink and I guess drink up. See you next time. Happy Halloween. Bye-bye.